Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can create a channel in Slack. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just be in Slack, and then you're gonna see channels here, and you want to click here add channels, and you can browse the channel or you can create the channel. When you're gonna create a channel, you can name it and add a description, and you can make the channel private or you don't need to. Let's click create here. Now when you're gonna be here, you can simply add the people, and this is pretty much it. So this is how we can simply create a channel in Slack. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye.